decisions whirling in my heart, and my vision, a rescission, has never been this hard. I got wasted when I tasted the sweetness of your lips. We're not ready, we're unsteady, I'm stuck inside your grip. I'm going down, down, down like a waterfall.
What's up, guys? We are back at the room. It's now 7 o'clock and we moved into the new room. This room has 2 bedrooms. So the way how it works is it looks exactly like the other room. One room looks just like the other room that we were in right there. It has bathroom and 2 beds. But the only difference of this room is that you have a door that goes into like another room. Ta-da! Now this room has a kitchen. You have a nice big dining table, and then you have a nice big kitchen.
Is that makeup?
How do you open this microwave? You have a big microwave. Look at this. It's crazy. You have so many cups. You have a lot of coffee cups. You have an actual stove to do some cooking. So if you stay in this hotel and you book this room with a kitchen, you never have to go outside to eat. You can just go to the supermarket, buy your own foods, and you can cook everything over here. And then, oh my God, look at all this. All these plates and all these pots and pans right here. Look at this. You got all the utensils. Look at that. Everything you need. You want to cook some soup, you got a spoon, everything you want. Let's see here. You guys know I like to see a toaster. You know I like to eat toast like that. Put your bread in. There you go. You got a nice big kitchen counter, not a small one. Of course, you got an espresso machine right here. You got a regular coffee maker. Holy shoot, look at this. You even have a dishwasher. That's crazy, guys.
Also, they got the V-set garbage can.
Oh my goodness, look at this. They got a hidden garbage can. They even give you a detergent right there. I'm sure if you don't have it anymore, you can just call and ask them to bring some more. What's in the refrigerator? What's this? So we went to the supermarket and we bought some beers. We bought some food. I'll show all the stuff later. We got orange juice, and then we have a real big freezer right here. You could put anything you want here. You could put enough food and drinks for like a whole month if you want. What's this? Oh, look at this. You could do your own laundry here. So you have a laundry machine and then a dryer is up here. Okay, let's go on. Let's continue. That's it. Over here, the difference between this room and that room, actually you have 2 bathrooms in this room. Look at this. You got one more small bathroom right here. Oh. Moving on to the living room. Look at these nice chairs here. You got a nice sofa over there. You got a nice chair over here. You can play, the kids can play games on that table. This is nice. This is real nice. Is there anything in there? Can you open it up? Tell me what's in there. Ooh. Oh, there's nothing in there. Okay. Okay, so maybe you can put some like card games or something, right? Yeah. Yeah, you can hide jewelry, whatever in there. So the next best thing about this room is you walk outside here. Look at this place. This outside balcony is crazy. Look at this place. Have you ever seen a balcony this big? You can sit here, enjoy your breakfast, have a coffee, have a, eggs and toast. It's excellent. Oh, look at that.
The best view at night. When you're eating dinner, look at this good view.
Look at this good view, right? Okay. So over here you can see you got a nighttime resort view. You can see the whole resort with some ocean view. It's not bad. Yeah, right? And this side of the bigger room is the same thing as the other room. So you have, actually no, the difference, this one you only get 1 bed. You get 1 king size bed, and the other room you get 2 double beds. And over here is the same thing as the bathroom area is the same thing as the other room.
You got a robe.
Yeah, you got a nice robe over here. So that's it, guys. For tonight, we're just gonna stay in and we're gonna eat dinner inside a room. We're so tired. It's like 7 o'clock right now. Nobody wants to go outside to eat. All right, guys, that's all there is. This room is where you wanna be at if you come to this resort. Believe me.